Hi everybody. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at 5 ways you can translate your voice or speech to text. 2 of these tools will be inside of Canvas and 3 of them are external tools. This came up a couple times last semester where I was asked about these type of tools, so I thought it might be helpful for everybody to know about these. So in this short video, we'll look at those 5 tools. Hopefully it'll give you a little idea as to how these tools work, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so here we are inside of Canvas to show you the first 2 tools. I am inside of SpeedGrader, and that's where we'll be using these 2 tools. So they're actually right next to each other. They're below the Add a Comment box, and they are the Media Comment and the Speech Recognition area. So the first thing we could do is we could use the Media Comment, and this will allow us to add to the student either a voice-only comment or a video comment. And that will be placed right here where the student can listen or watch it when they're looking at their comments or grades. Let's take a look at this one first. So when we go to this area, you will see that we have an option to turn off the webcam, no video, which would allow for a strictly audio comment that you would want to leave for them, or you can go ahead and leave that on and give them a video comment. Either one works fine. For this example, I'll go ahead and use an audio comment. Okay, we get a countdown there. Hi Tracy, nice job on your assignment. I would have liked to seen a little more in your introduction, but otherwise, great job. Once we hit finish, we can give this a name. And save the media. And this will pop up right over here on the comments area where the student can listen to it. Hi Tracy, nice job on your assignment. I would have liked to see... Okay, and if it was video, they would have seen that here. The second one I mentioned is speech recognition. This is pretty neat. If I click on this, it will allow me to record my voice and it will translate it into text for me. So let me show you that. Hi Tracy, nice job on your assignment. I would have liked to have seen a little more in your introduction, but otherwise, nice work. Okay, it dumps it right over here into our comments area. And you can see here, I would probably clean this up just a little bit. I think that H needs to be capitalized. I would probably put a period here. Maybe period at the end here. So you might have to clean it up a little bit, but it might save you some time where you don't have to type everything out and you could just use your voice. So we can hit submit and this will pop up over here just like your regular comments do. So those are two tools inside of Canvas SpeedGrader that you could use to put your voice to text. Let me show you the next one. So here we are inside of Google Docs, and one note here, in order for this tool to work, you do have to be on Chrome, so make sure you're in Chrome before you do this. Now Google, and this tool's been around a while, this is called voice typing, and we can find it under Tools. So if we go ahead and click here, we can see where it says voice typing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. This is going to pop up over here. I'm going to click this to get started, so let me go ahead and just do a couple sentences here. Hi everyone, period. This is a demonstration to show you how accurate Google voice typing can be when you are speaking and it is translating my words into text, period. As you can see, it's translating pretty directly from what I'm saying into what is written, period. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop that and show you. It did a pretty good job here. I put in a couple of little commands, but as you can see, I'd want to go ahead and capitalize A, and I would want to capitalize T. But it's pretty accurate. And I have used this at conferences and demoed it to some pretty good success. So this is a good tool for a quick, I would rather speak something instead of typing it all out. I want to show you, I will bring this over. There are a lot of commands that you can use to do some formatting and some editing of your document. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the comments, or rather the description area of this video so you can take a look at this. So if the select text, it shows you to say text, or to select text, say these commands, and it'll show you how to make some of those editing pieces. Apply heading, bold, italicize, and that kind of thing. So these are some of the commands that you can use when you're using these voice commands. Here's some punctuation that can be added as well. All right, let me show you the next tool. This one's called Dictation IO. Okay, you can see we're at Dictation IO at the top. And before we launch it, I just want to show you that these have some voice commands as well. If we click here and we choose English, you can see what some of those commands are, so you will know when you get into the tool how to then insert a new paragraph, delete the typed text, and so on. So if we go over here to voice dictation and launch the dictation, you'll see that this looks like a little piece of paper. It will do very similar things to what you just saw. So let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that and then hit start. This is a second example of a tool called dictation. And this tool will also translate my voice into written text, period. Okay, you can see in that case, it didn't actually put my period in, it actually said the word. All right, so again, this will translate pretty closely for you. And you can see we've got a lot of things we can do with this. We can publish it, we can download it as a file, we can copy it, we can email out to somebody, and so on. Lots of ways to get it out of this tool and use it for other purposes that you have. And you also have some options up here, bolding, bulleting, and so on, once you've got your text inside and you'd like to maybe format it a little bit differently. Okay, the last tool I'm going to show you is called Speech Texter. Okay, this one shows you some of your options over here on the right if you want to put in some of those commands. So down here at the bottom is our Get Started microphone, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This third tool is called Speech Texter, and this one will continue to wrap around what I'm saying in this black box until I stop talking, and then it'll place it on the white paper behind me. When I'm ready to start talking again, it will start collecting everything I'm saying in the black box, and when I stop talking, it will then place it on the paper, period. One more time, you can see that it is typing for me as I talk, and I can use some of those commands over on the right, period. Do you see what I mean? Question mark. Okay, you get the idea there once again. This one, as I was talking, it was typing up here for me, and I was able to use a couple of these commands over here. Again, I can clear the page here, I can download it if I want, print it, and I can do some formatting components as well. So once you've used these tools, you can certainly grab the text out of there and place it anywhere that you would like. So, as a reminder, the three tools we looked at were two inside of SpeedGrader, both down here where you can voice or video a comment, a speech recognition tool, Google Docs, where we were able to use some of these commands to use voice typing, Dictation IO, and Speech Texter. So I hope this helps to give you just a general idea as to some of the tools that are out there that can help you with voice to text. Good luck.